Today let's make turnip curry. I start by putting Instant Pot on saute mode, adding few tablespoons of oil, some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and I'll let the seeds get fragrant and then add 2 bay leaves and a cup of sliced onions. Saute these onions for about 5 minutes till they turn golden brown. This is what they look like after 5 minutes on saute. Adding spices now. I have paprika, ginger garlic paste, some coriander powder, turmeric powder, a few curry leaves for flavor, and a couple of red dry chilies. You can also use fresh green chilies. I'll mix this together. We don't need to cook it very long. And then I'm adding half cup of tomato sauce. You can also use fresh tomatoes. 2 large fresh tomatoes should also work. Adding salt to taste, about a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Now this is to cut through the bitterness of turnips. Turnips can be quite bitter. You can also at this point add some amchur, which is dry mango powder, or we can also add it in the end. Now I'm adding 2 pounds of turnips. These are peeled turnips and I cut them into large chunks, about 1.5 inch. Give this a good mix and then I will cancel saute and pressure cook this on high for about 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of water and seal it. Pressure cook for 5 minutes and let it sit after 5 minutes are done. And here I'm opening the lid and this is what it looks like. Let me do some taste test. Turnips are soft, but they do need a little bit of salt, so I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon more of salt. And here I am going to dish them out. I will at this point top it with some amchur, which is dry mango powder. It's tangy. And then garnish it with some fresh coriander. And it's done. Full recipe on my website, yogchapra.com.